Hello everyone, it's Jackie of All Things Domestic, and I'm so excited to share with you the OXO containers that I bought at Costco. Let's get started. In order to prepare for this demo, I set out all 15 of my containers and I found 15 food items that I would like to store in them. I then prepped them with the food next to or in the container on my island. I did previously wash and dry these before loading them with food, which I think is an important step, although probably pretty obvious to everyone. So far I've added sugar, flour, and cornstarch. The marshmallows are one of the items I'm most excited to add into these because our marshmallows always go stale before we finish a bowl. And I would like to get through an entire package without any waste, so we'll see if these help. The pasta is something that my family always uses, and it'll be great to have storage containers that I can buy pasta in bulk and use as little or as much as I want without having just an open box sitting, so I'm pretty excited about that as well. I have two daughters that are 6 and 8, and they're excited about these containers because they think the lids are extremely fun. So you push them down to air seal it, and then you push it back up to pop and it becomes a handle. They're really handy, and like I said, my girls think it's really fun. You can see I had 3 powdered sugar bags sitting in my Lazy Susan, and they all fit into a container, so that was great. And powdered sugar, flour sugar, those are items that we use all the time in baking. That was important to me was to make sure that our measuring cups fit inside for the sugar, the flour, the powdered sugar, because as I mentioned, we bake a lot, and having containers that our cups can just dip right into will make the process easier. And fortunately, the large ones do fit even our 1 and 2 cup measuring cups. I'm just finishing up with my last item, cereal, and I'm very excited with how this project turned out. All of this from my cupboards turned into this gorgeous display. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking to see future videos.